Hello and welcome to another fun-filled episode of Resto-Rob. Today, we're going to clean up the Bonney Toolbox. That's right, Bonney was the economical version of Bonney. So I have quite a few Bonney tools, and so needed a place to put them. So I was looking at toolboxes on my auction site and saw one and kind of looked at it and said Bonney. I'm like, yeah. So not too many people knew what Bonney was. I did, so I almost got this for a steal. I'll share links at the end to the actual tool haul video that I did of this one. Well, this box is going to be a little different than most of stuff you see on the channel. So sit back, relax, and see what I'm going to do. So, the Bonney which is an economy version of Bonney. So this obviously was a good score. It's gonna need to be cleaned up and derusted. Guess how much I paid for this? I won this for $6. The whole thing cost me $6 and a 50-cent processing fee from an online auction. Kind of a sadness here. This awesome toolbox, I don't have any derusting footage. Somehow I lost my footage of using the Resto-Rob rust remover. So, sorry folks. I don't even have the footage of me hand sanding using the liquid Resto-Rob as a lubricant. So I apologize for that, but here's some pictures of me painting, and not very exciting, but hey, what can you do? I'm still happy with the final product, and I wanted to share that with you. And so for $6, yeah. So here, beautiful, wonderful day. Today's Pi Day, 3/14, and I'm currently shellacking. Well, I wouldn't say shellac. A gloss coat on this Bonney toolbox. Using the Rust-Oleum gloss clear. So this is me first warm day able to get out and get some painting done. And here's our final product of my rat rod toolbox. So pretty much I just clear glossed it after I removed all the rust. And here we go, our final product. I just really wanted to, my whole intent was to save the Bonney tool sticker and try to preserve some of the original paint. I didn't get all the rust, but I got the majority of it. I just think this is what I was looking for, so I'm pretty happy. So this worked out pretty good. Still some rust, but and shininess. But I'm pretty happy the way this Bonney box came out. I obviously was going for that rat rod look. But it's been multiple coats of clear enamel. So any rust that was on there is gone now. So this is going to be where I store all my Bonney cons. So leave in the comments what you think. So here pretty much is all the products that I used on this box. Here's my Resto-Rust gel. Originally wiped everything. Well, I got the bigger chunks of rust off that I could and wiped everything down. And then I went and kind of wet sanded with regular Resto-Rust with a little bit of, instead of using like WD-40 or water to wet sand, I used Resto-Rust. And it came out really nice. I'm pretty happy. I still wanted to keep some rust on it, not completely submerge it. And I wanted to preserve the paint. That's why I went with the gel, which worked out really well. So, and then it got it pretty clean. I used multiple coats. And I wanted to preserve the sticker. So that was the biggest hurdle, is what do I use to preserve the sticker? And so after everything was clean, dried, wiped down, I used some of this Rust-Oleum clear gloss. So I like the way this box came out. I mean, this thing is, to me, is cool. I've always liked the rat rod style. So I'm pretty happy. So this is my rat rod project. What do you think? This gel worked out really great. So I'm pretty happy at the way this Resto-Rust gel worked. It wasn't meant to be a product review. It just, obviously, I was looking for something to save the Bonney Con tool sticker, and a place to store my Bonney Con tools. I got this box for super dirt cheap, so I really just, I mean, this is a total rat rod. It took me a while. This has been a project that's been taking me several months to work on. I'd work on it a little bit, clean it up a little bit, and then move on to something else. Now that the weather's better, I can be outside, I was able to clear gloss the box itself. So I'm impressed and happy as how it came out. I know a lot of people don't care for the rat rods. Other people, you know, they want to have fancy, bright, shiny colors. But, you know, overall, this is my tool, my box. This is the way I want it, and this is the way it looks good. So please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Bonney Tool Collector or at Robert J. Faust, and leave comments below. So as always, stay safe and check you later.